What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to learn how to play Witchy by Kaytranada featuring Childish Gambino, and here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like. You made me feel like I've been floating. This ain't no spell, you got me open, girl. You're being witchy and I love it, girl. So as you can see here, I have a capo on the 5th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. And you just need to know 4 chords for the entire song. Those 4 chords are A minor 7, E minor 7, F major 7, and E7, okay? And here is how you play the chords. Alright guys, so the first chord is an A minor 7. We're going to put our finger on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. Second chord is an E minor 7. We're just going to put our finger on the 2nd frets of the D string. Oh, my bad. The A string. It's going to sound like this. Third chord you need to know is an F major 7. So we're going to put our finger on the 1st fret of the B string, 2nd fret of the G string, and 3rd fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. And the final chord you need to know is an E7, so we're going to put our finger on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. So the way the chord progression goes, we're going to go from A minor 7 to E minor 7, back to A minor 7, back to E minor 7, and then one more time, back to A minor 7, E minor 7, and then we're going to go to the F major 7, and finally the E7. Okay, so that progression stays throughout the entire song. So if you want to think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and also the strumming pattern, or at least the way that I was doing it, is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so you get the picture. But if you have a different way that you want to strum it, then by all means go ahead and do that. But that is how you play the song. So that's it for this video and this tutorial. I appreciate you tapping into this one. I hope that it helped you out and that it added value to you. If you did like this video, please go ahead and comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and share it with somebody that you think would benefit from this tutorial. Also, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, if you want to see more videos like this. And right now there's going to be some more tutorials that are going to pop up on the screen. Feel free to click any of these and check out the rest of my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.